Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share about the tutorial to making a 3 and 8 meter small modern house. Okay, first of all we have to take the rotated rectangle right here. You can use this tools, rotated rectangle, to draw the base plane of the house. You could type 3 millimeter for the first, and then you could type 8,000 millimeter, sorry, 8,000 millimeter, like this. After that you should push it up about 300 millimeter right here. Then you should select all this object and right click and make group like this. And then you have to make a wall like this. You can use rectangle, like this. Then you should offset it into the inside around 150 millimeter for the thickness. Then you could uh, click this object, the center of the plane, then right click and erase. So that you have to push it up again for this wall, for this basic wall, and pull it up until 3,500 millimeter right here. Then you should select all this object and right click and make group. After that you have to make a base object of roof like this. Okay, you should use a rectangle, and you should push it up again for uh, the distance as you want. Then you should make it group. After that you have to use the protector like this, and you should make a sloping line. This is around 35 degrees for the sloping. I think it's too high. Then I repeat again for making it around 15 degree for the sloping of the line. After that you have to enter this object and select line. Then you should make this path. Then you should push it until full like this. Okay, then you could delete unnecessary object like this. After that you should enter this object, and then you just click this plane and click edit, copy. You can exit this object like this and edit, paste in place. After that you have to push and pull it again around 200 millimeter for the roof thickness. Then you should make it longer than the basic of the roof. It's around 800 millimeter, and this is 800 millimeter. For the fourth side you should make it 800 millimeter like this. After that you could make some details of the roof like this. You can make roof for the first, and you could select the roofing material like this. Then you should select an assigned material, and you will edit the color. You choose RGB, and you could set it for the left side, and you could adjust the brightness of the roof like this. After that you should make a opening and door and window like this. You could use a tape measure tool, like you could type 2500 millimeter for the height of the top of opening or window or door. Then you could take the tape measure tool. You could take this line and copy it on the left side. It's around 900 millimeter. After that, you should make it to be whole as possible you can. Okay, like this. Then you should make it. You should delete this unnecessary object. Okay, like this with push or pull. After that, you should make a window. You should make a window. After this step, you you could make a protector to make it equal with the window height and door height, like this. Okay, so you will get the equal height of the window and the door. After that, you could draw easily this window like this, and you could delete the unnecessary side or unnecessary object like this. After that, you could make a window object with rectangle, then you offset it inside, and you could offset it inside. Set the thickness of the frame as you want anyway. Then you could adjust some frame of window dimension, or you could take some material for make it representative with realistic material like this. Then you could make a window. Yes, you should set the thickness as you want. After that, you should offset this plane inside the distance as you want, like this. I set it 60 millimeter. Then you should delete some unnecessary object as usual. After that, you could build a glass object with a rectangle also. Then you could set the thickness of the glass as you want, and then you can select the kind of material of the glass like this, and you could set the color. Then you have to make it have and then you have to make it to be one object or one group like this. Okay, and then you could make it one group. Then right click and make component, and create it. Okay, after that, you have to make a frame of the door like this. You have to make a frame of the door with a line that you have to offset inside with the thickness as you want, like the scene of the videos, that you can finish it with some tools. You can finish it with push or pull tools. You can set the thickness as you want, or you can study the thickness according to the specification of material as you know. Then you have to make some door object like this, and you set the thickness as you want or according to the standard. Then you could set the material like this. Then after that, you have to make it decorative or representative as the window. You could type 4 and slash, and then it will be automatically divided into four parts like this. Then you have to make it some more realistic by you have to push it inside like this. So this door have some details that is representative with realistic, as you know. Then you have to set it the position of the door lift. Then you have to set the position of door lift like this. After that you have to make a handle of the door as representative as possible, as you know. Okay, I make it the simple I just make the simple door handle, but it looks like modern and representative enough. Then you could follow the step to make it representative anyway. After that, you have to make a canopy of in the top of the door and window. You have to make it like this with a rectangle. Then you have to adjust it as possible. After you adjust it, you don't forget to make it in one group. And after that, you have to make the rest of the floor or floor extension like this. And you could use offset tools to make it larger than before. Then you could set it and you could set the thickness of the terrace, and you could assign some different material so it would be representative object and different with another object like some material. And I wanna give some material in the excited position like this. Okay. This is my way to adjust the exterior design whenever I could set some kind of material. I think this is a lack of window, so I would like to duplicate the window to the another side of the house like this. Then don't forget to make it a hole on the window position like this. You can use rectangle, then you have to delete unnecessary side or unnecessary object to be the place of the right window like this. And you have to make it and, and then you have to extend the canopy this, or you could just some facade material in this object in this side. Then the house is more representative than before, or you could make it better. Then after that, if you don't like white color of the house, you could make it be another material like this for the exterior design of yours. Okay, after that, I would make it different of the floor. Just assign some material that it would be representative object. Okay, I think this is a basic of making simple house and modern house. So in this tutorial, I hope you will improve and make more representative house and more realistic house, because the limited time of I make this video, but but I hope that all of you could uh, take some or more exercise to make a great house, modern house, classic house, and another design as you want.